kind of want to show you guys what I did, how I deconstructed this whole top. So I had this top and it was very like cottagecore. This was attached here, and there was basically like a poof sleeve and a poof sleeve here, and it was very open and loose from down. The bodice area was very you know. And I didn't like the poof sleeves. The looseness of the shirt was kind of giving like maternity, and yeah, wasn't really feeling that. So I cut off the poofs and I was like, wait, there's so much fabric, I can maybe like play a little bit with some fringing and have long tassels just hanging, kind of give a little bit of an edgy look. And so I did that. So let me show you what this looks like untied. So it's basically all fringed up here, and then I didn't do any cutting on the back, so this is what's left of it in the back. And I was like, wait, but it's still pretty loose up here. So because I have this extra fabric, I was able to just bring it up and get a nice little tie here. Let's go take some photos. I might have to fix this because I don't have one, but yeah. Okay, I made it. I found a little spot right here. I think it has a good view of the water in the back. And we got some lilies over here. Oh, right here. Okay, you can't see it. Let's start filming. Hi, we're back. It is Friday, about 4 o'clock, and I want to start working on this. I'm going to take off all of this. I don't know why I put all of that. I'm not really liking it anymore. I think I'm gonna take off her, and I don't know, maybe, I mean, actually I kind of like the contrast here in fabric. I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up, but there's a contrast here, and I like the patchiness of it. In regards to a technical standpoint, I would probably just have to cut it so that it fits under this. Oh, she's a little too tall right now. Hold on. Okay. I would have to cut it so that it follows the seam of the gray top here. And then I can start sewing. I'm gonna sew by hand because you guys already know I do not like sewing with my machine. It's just something I cannot do, or I don't have the willpower to figure out how to do it. So let's start sewing. And seeing where this goes, because if we just keep on trying to pre-plan all of this, I'm never gonna get anywhere. Okay, so I currently have a bunch of stuff on my desk because these are projects that I plan to work on. But before we get to these, I would like to finish this one. So I'm gonna put this away. I think I'm gonna do blue because, like, logically speaking, some people would be like, use the gray, but I'm feeling this one. Gonna take my trusty little thing.